Most of the clients are working in Makati, Eastwood, and BGC.
They chose to invest in something they can finally call their own. Kasi renting to own will always be better than just renting.
Para sa mga young professionals, first-time homebuyers, and even investors, they just might be what you're looking for.
Ang maganda dito, for only 10,000 pesos na initial cash out, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng 2-bedroom condo in Ortigas, 30.6 square meters, fully finished na, move-in ready.
Located itong project sa Ortigas Extension.
Walking distance sa SMEs Ortigas, super accessible and daily needs, nandito na rin. Meron din Deca Mall right beside the community, plus 1.3 hectares of amenities, park, clubhouse, courts, and playground.
Baka ito na yung sign na hinihintay mo. If you're interested, let me know and we can schedule a viewing. Again, this is Paul, your trusted real estate salesperson.